flight, we were just doing a calculation of what would be the loss to the government. It works out, if this one flight was cancelled throughout the season, the government would stand to lose nearly 10 crores in GST. Only the hotel GST and excursion GST was working to about 10 crores.
How long has this flight been coming now?
This flight has been coming for many years. And besides, we also, Thomson said that if this flight is given landing permission, they would also introduce a fourth flight, which we have been breaking our heads to try and get more flights from UK. And I think TUI and Thomson deserve the support from the government, because they would bring in now an additional flight which will help the business community.
What was the issue about the NOTAM?
The issue of the NOTAM was, earlier the runway was supposed to be closed from 6:30 to 12:30. That was decided at the first meeting. All of a sudden it was reduced to 7:30 to 12:30. Now, which meant that the TUI flight was unable to land, but some domestic flights were accommodated. So our contention is that it would make it a little earlier. Why? It could be 6:30 to 11:30. That's fine, because domestic flights have an option of finding other slots, but it becomes very difficult with international flights. So this was our request, that accommodate this TUI, and if a decision had to be taken to introduce new NOTAM timings, this should have been done much earlier, at least 6 months earlier.
They were worried that they will have to cancel this flight. They have just informed me that an order will be issued to the satisfaction of TTAG, and this problem will be resolved, whereby this charter will be able to land. We don't want to lose foreign tourists, and particularly the Brits, because they have been coming for long. Rather, we should try to get more such charters coming from other countries and not lose what we are already having.